Hello everyone, my name is Jai Sharma and I'm planning to go to Germany for my higher studies. The reason I chose Germany was because there were immense prospects that were available after higher studies. The reason I chose IELTS for my examination is because it is widely popular and recognized all over the globe, all over the universities as well. Coming to my test scores and preparation, I scored 8 bands in total. My individual scores were 8.5 in listening, for which I practiced thoroughly the papers that are available online on YouTube, and there are various sites for it. Furthermore, I scored 8.5 in reading, for which I practiced by the materials which IELTS provided me with. So I read it, I timed it, and then I attempted it accordingly. I strategized my questions and then managed to do it as per the exam demands. Furthermore, I practiced for speaking by arranging cue cards for myself and then spoke in front of mirror and timed it as well. Coming to my writing section, I structured how I would be writing in the examination and then I practiced it. I read lots of newspapers and books and also watched English news channels as well to get well versed with the communicative English that IELTS demands. Now, coming to the final word, I would like to say that candidates should not believe in any rumors that are persisting outside. Uh, the examination is just like any other language test and comes with its own set of difficulties which any language test requires. So it is better to adapt that language preparation in your own life by reading newspapers and watching TV serials of that sort. So if I can do it, I sure that anyone can do it as well.